Hey YouTubers, this is Dre from Blacksmith RC coming at you with a little special in-house product testing from Aerial Hobbies. The guys down there, Chris and Jeff, they knew I was looking for some type of drift tire that, you know, just mainly for regular size asphalt, nothing special. And they sent me this. They said try this out. This is made from their CNC machine down there at Aerial Hobbies, and I'm going to slide this on. Got them on all four here. I'm going to put this on here, and I was instructed to just drift like crazy and you know, let them know the results of the tires that they have. So I'm going to put these on here. As you guys can see, they just slide right on. You can actually get it by hand. No boiling, no anything like that. And we're going to just test it out and see what we can do with these things.